Okay YouTube, I'm back with another video. This one is an unboxing. I ordered this Thursday and it came today. Today is Tuesday. So it didn't take that long to get here. This is my first unboxing. I'm going to cut it if I can. I surely should have done this before. Kind of difficult. This is going to be what? Well, I'll show my address. But yeah, this is going to be what I use to make all my videos with. It is a flip camcorder. I'm going to probably do a test here in a few minutes. Ooh, it already comes with a battery installed and everything. Now looks like it's ready to go. But I got this on eBay, $10. And this is my first unboxing video. I'm trying to flip it out here. Ah, there it goes. See? But that's going to be my vlogging camera. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.